If you are a beginner to making Nigerian puff puff, this video is for you. We are using 2 cups of flour for this recipe, so it is beginners friendly. Scoop 2 cups of flour in your 250 ml cup. This is how you measure. Get your flour into your cup and take out the excess flour using the edge of your knife or spoon. Go on now to place it in your dried clean bowl. I'm going to go on now to add in all other ingredients after adding my flour into my bowl. You do not need much. You need your nutmeg, you need your sugar, and you need a little bit of salt to taste. You are not adding too much nutmeg. Don't worry, the ingredients and the detailed measurements will be in the caption. Mix all your dry ingredients together. I use instant yeast, so I added it directly to my flour. For my wet ingredients, I am using just 1 egg and evaporated milk. I'm going to add in a little bit of warm water, then I'm going to add it into my flour. If you do not want to add egg or milk into your puff puff, is fine. You can use between 200 to 300 ml of warm water. Add it into your flour, depending on the kind of flour you'll be using. The amount of water you add in your flour is key. If you add too much water, you will spoil your puff puff. If you add too little water, your puff puff batter will come out being too thick and your puff puff will come out being so strong. You just want your puff puff to be around the middle, not too thick, not too light, because after proofing, your puff puff batter will be lighter. And when your puff puff is too runny, scooping and cutting your puff puff into the oil will be a struggle. Cover and allow your puff puff to proof in a warm environment. You can heat up your oven, turn it off for 5 minutes, then place your puff puff in there. After allowing your puff puff to proof, go on now to uncover your batter, then wet your fingers. Do not use gloves at this point. Your hands should be wet and your hands should be clean, because working with this batter, it is very sticky and using gloves will make it worse. After which, deflate your batter. Go on now to scoop your batter like so. While you press your batter in between your thumb by your index finger while moving your thumb towards your index finger. This will help your batter to slide out easily out of your palm into the oil. This is how I scoop and cut my puff puff, giving me that perfectly round puff puff recipe. This process is very easy when your batter is of the right consistency and with practice. So if you struggle with it, keep trying. One day you will get the hang of it. You are frying on consistently medium heat and your oil must be hot. Why? The temperature of the oil plays a very key role in giving you that perfectly round puff puff. If the oil isn't hot, your puff puff will not brown evenly and will not get that perfectly round shape. So make sure the oil is hot and maintain the consistency of the temperature of your heat. It should be on medium heat. So take note of that. Stir continuously. Once you have this beautiful golden brown look, you get this beautiful puff puff recipe. I got about 20 pieces and I totally enjoyed it. See you in my next one. God bless you.